Assalamu alaikum, welcome back again to another video. maanta waxaan sameyneynaa cashkii labaad ee get iyo github. So actually maanta waxaan kala doonaa qeybo oo actually advance ah oo muhiim ah. Daalada qorno waxaan ka hadlaynaa sicnina for now. Topics. So marka hore waxaan actually kala doonaa cloning project from GitHub. Dhahno GitHub ka soo qaad and then install or download in a computer. And for now, clone project from GitHub for now. That's one thing for now. And then waxaan doonaa actually waxaan doonaa and then make suitable change. Then waxaan waxaa waaye markaan soo kulan garan projectiga waxaan ka bedelno ku darna for now. That's one thing aan sameynayno. And also waxaan gasgelinaa then I don't know maybe deploy change to the GitHub for now. Deploy change to the GitHub for now. Then wixii aan bedelnay oo update-ka ahaa inaan GitHub wada ku deploy garayna marka. That's one thing. Actually waxaa ka boodnay one more topic oo ah maybe laynaa for now two wax noqonayo. Make for now why for now. Yeah, maybe make your project live on GitHub for now. So actually kan now waxaa my finance. Okay. So intaan sameynaa marka kii last time GitHub ka saaraynay aan ka dhigaynaa marka live ka dhigaynaa. Live power symbol in waxaa oo laga saartid oo domain usumeysid laga soo galay hosta usumeysid for now. Hadda for now laga domain ma hayno laakiin waxaan sameyn doonaa GitHub helada qayb lahaa GitHub page oo kusiinayso domain free ah hosting free for now. So that inta GitHub imaano, let's go to the GitHub and I repository imo and then look for repository last time GitHub saaraynay radino. Then I think I'm not going to store click this. Then waxaan sameynaynaa qaybtan inta uu joogo it's only two files HTML iyo filekaas tawanka. Then go to the settings look for click this and then git contain scroll down look for which what I bits for now. Click bits and then marka okay actually I think for now live one marka live soo origo waxaa waaye leedahay inta umu meesha qortaa brand iyo tag meesha mustaqil for now mustaqil and then save it for now. That's how you make live then. And now we have a live and click in the record for now. And now we have portfolio or live or GitHub kina saaran. What's to get for now. Okay. Hadda marka waxaa u baahanahay in project GitHub ka saaran live ka ah na soo kulan garayna cloning project. Marka ereyga clone symbol waxaa waaye projectigaaga download project from GitHub. GitHub ka saaran lasoo deg. Saan loogu isticmaalana banaa. Leedahay inta imo GitHub ka imo leena inta soo laawo repository ma fara qod ku dhufo. Marka waxaa soo copy-naynaa linkiga repository for now. Qaybta green ku dhufo and then copy that link. Click this. So marka waxaa imaanaa waxaa bortaa waxaa imaataa get cmd imo get cmd for now that imaanaa for now. Okay. So marka waxaa leenahay clone project from GitHub. Then command aan qoraynaa get uu leeyahay leenahay commands wax badan ma aqrinaa simple aan qornaa waan command command kor waxaa leeyahay meesha iga bedel joogo waxaa leeyahay cd meesha iga bedel waxaa geysaa maybe documents now I'm in documents for now waxaa leeyahay then get for now space clone. So ereyga clone basically how I download from clone download and a space then bas linki bas kare repository linki and then control v paste then enter for now. Now we have cloning projects. There we go. Now we have the project. So how cd digitally waxay dhigaysaa folder lab test lab just tool lab and then test to digitally which is a repository name there so now. Then marka waxa folder aan dhex jiro open it in a VS Code for now and then code space dot which means that open that folder in the VS Code for now. And now we have the project or get for now. And now we have one project of GitHub no imadi. For now we have HTML file. Actually the same thing for now. And I can HTML file for now. Then hammer صورة نقرأيه let's see لأن terminal add and then let's say run. Okay, تيجي عملنا let's wait for a bit. Then hey run and then hit start debugging for now. When I crawl for hit the Chrome. Okay. Now let's see صورة رسالة عامك. Okay. So now we have projects from Github. Okay. So مرة حق لنا step كلوات إنه وحده حاول جوب كلوات make change for now. فتشتين Github كشو خاني كشو حكي بدل الخطر. يقدر واحد delete يقدر واحد بدل it's up to you for now. هذا مرة حاسمينا maybe حنقدر إن على نهاية الخطر. خلينا for now ربطان هنا. أكو حقدر إن let's say حاليا هاي maybe وحنبدأ على لسه يو كان بدي بس يو كان أفرح بدك لأن أنت مو قيبتان لها لستيان لها يو الكاس يعني أنا بي فور تو حاليا قيبتان كليا تحلين بي كلني كوبيه أنا عبارة let's say لأن contact إنه عبارة عن هاي maybe لأن أنا about me or us. Now save this. Now let's check. Refresh this. And now we have 4 of them. Let's say we have بدلنا maybe تحكينا see it's gonna maybe h1 paragraph something like this. And for now into mode between one and diff here حسمينا now one more diff and tag for when div or diff then وحاولنا h1 heading 1 and then open for now this may be name for now هاي Abdullahi passing for now. And then وحاولنا one more paragraph من هاي paragraph عن هاي we gotta use lorem in a lorem symbol lorem عربنا maybe 50 words lorem for now. Now refresh and then we have text for now. Let's هنا كبدنا نستعمل لنا فرقاً على انت class وخالو class عبنا نقول عبر text إنه على maybe 5xl فرقاً إنه على ball. Okay. لهنا maybe so called class in a class so called you have an margin all sides for now 20. There you go. And that's good now. And فرطو حالينا هاي كريبتا كسكو so called margin button DB6. That's good for now. Okay. Okay, we're not going to make like huge change just something في سننا حتى فانا حاربنا حقيقة step all the way for now to be how I deploy change to Github for now. Change can أسميني deploy to Github. لازم Github أعرف إنه حرم مش كان لايف كأحد صار change كان قدرنا for now بس حسمينا لكم ما نشكرنا علينا هاي أنا قلت صلاة حقولنا في تماتش أنا قلت المارك مو نال new terminal. Okay. So مرة حنقول أنا commands and later I get for now. Okay. خلينا نقول لنا get هنيجي نرجع لنا لنا get space لنا for now add dot add محاوي حتى واحد اسمه جنس كأ add to repository Github global كأ لنا the get dot محل last أنا dot محاوي all every file أنت يرى Github كسر. That's for now. Now they deploy. لما حقولنا one more command لنا get space لنا commit for now. I1M commit كحاوي simple وحن أبدأ شيء محاوي explain this. حتى واحد اسم يسوي جنس اسم يسوي محي جنس كاس explain عليه for now. إما سومالي لأنه وحا عليه وحا كوسو داري it's gonna maybe heading and also paragraph. It's gonna maybe text for now. Okay, it's up to you مرقد. مرة بوحا فيها إن الأخرى وحيالا اللي حريره وحا أبدا الشيء صعب مرة كوميت كان مركز تاع هذا وحنا أبدا شوي كوبيس كريسن هذا أنا حاب بدل أول شيء بدل نهاية بدل نصنع على النهاية أو سكوتر للنهاية dot space للنهاية also updated the header part for now. كمان بكوبيت وحاول change and as explain جنس كصحيح. So this for now and now they are ready for now. Okay, مركو حاول بين one last command for now. One last command. كما أقصد حاول وحن مشى لساري repository GitHub sana online ka lagu dalbaas. And then get space push for now. Push. That's enough. Kaasi qoran. Maadaama repository loo isku qorayin ay si qanam. That's for now. Hala marka been waxa mar walba lagu wadinayo GitHub-kaaga localka ah. I mean get repository localka ah you can online ka suurta qor. So ashki dambe hore asameen labo isku nasaas. Now they deploy to GitHub for now. Lana GitHub soo jegare. Like GitHub imaano. Repository emo. After I'm going to the first towel. But first this. Now share this. Now we have the campus. Now we have Koreani or Kumitka Koreani and mix other online site for now. Kadamar ki online kemal for now link up before. So I'm a fresh towel. And we so خلينا again هذا وقت وقعنا for now لنا كرسم. لما كان كيف أنا تقول هنا كان حجل. حسبنا أنا أركنا ده وحسبنا جيت كسبنا أنت مو. And now we have two things to spend. For the main. Kayaknya for now. For now. Marka life little over here kind maybe 3 minutes, 4 minutes. And it's no why. I'm gonna fresh towel. There we go. Look at this. Now we have live dates for now. That's how you make change and to deploy again to GitHub for now. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.